front of me is Google Pixel 6a, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, select an app you want to use in this view and launch it in the background. Then do exactly the same with a second app, and with both of them opened in the background as a running app, decide which one you want to use on the top half of your screen. Then tap on the icon of it at the top. And when you see this pop up, hit split screen option, this one. Now tap on a second app and enjoy using both at once. Now, if you want to exit this mode, you can either go back into the background and swipe split screen like you would any other app, or you can hold this line in the middle. Thanks to it, you can drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down, close it, and then close the remaining one by hitting home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!